Hi friends, welcome to the Quiz King. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd number and letters within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Hey viewers, welcome back. The new style video. Find the odd one out within 15 seconds. Come on genius, time is up. Wow, good start. Come on genius, anybody can find 6 within 15 seconds. Hey viewers, come fast. You found it. Come on, time is up. Hey legend, find the odd watch within given time. Boom! You found it. Check your observation skills. Find the number 8 within given time. Wow, your eagle eyes. Pick the odd letter K within 15 seconds. Come on my genius viewers, you found it. Time is over. Hey, are you genius? Find the letter I within given time. Wow, so nice! Come on viewers, are you focus master? Find the letter N within given time. Time is up. Come on genius, nobody can find the odd one out within given time. Hey, where are my legend viewers? Come on, time is up. Test your visual skills. Find the letter D within given time. Come on viewers, come fast. Time is up. Come on genius, find the odd one animal within given time. You found it. Test your eagle eyes. Find the letter S within given time. That's great! Find the unique letter O within time. Wow! Excellent work! Easy level done and medium level start. Hey viewers, test your visual skills. Find the odd number within given time. Come on, legend, time is up. Hey, are you genius? Find UJI within given time. Wow, amazing! Come on, legend, spot the odd emoji within 15 seconds. Wow, this is a very cute. Hey viewers, test your eagle eyes. Find 196 within time. Come on, my genius viewers, time is up. Challenge your brain. Find 431 within given time. Hey viewers, my question is very hard, but my viewers is very genius. Come on, genius. Time is up. Find the odd letter SCC within given time. Wow, good job! Hey viewers, are you focus master? Find 087 within given time. Yes, you are focus master. Check your mind. Find the letter CRO within given time. Wow! Amazing! Come on, viewers, spot the odd one out within 15 seconds. Medium level done and hard level start. Come on, viewers, only genius can find the odd number within time. Wow, that's great! Find the odd letter within 15 seconds. Hey, come fast, viewers, you found it. Come on, time is over. Spot the apple within given time. Come on, my genius viewers. You found it? Anybody can find the odd letter within given time? Wow! Good job! viewers find the odd girl within given time. This is a very hard spotting. Come on, genius, time is up. Hey, check your brain power. Find the odd number within 15 seconds. Wow, you are sharp eyes. Please like and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share your score in the comment box.